What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ElevenLabs mobile app. So you might be wondering here, how do you start using ElevenLabs here on your mobile device? Well, this one is very easy. Now the thing with ElevenLabs here is whether you're using your Android device or your PC to access the app itself or the software or the platform, well, you can just basically use it in your mobile device as well. So you all know that the easiest way for you to use this is via the in this case the desktop version or the browser version here. But the thing with this one, again, it works on mobile device as well. So you want to open up your browser here, just search for ElevenLabs and just open up elevenlabs.io. Now, in here, you go and sign up or basically sign in account if you already have an account with them. But to be speaking, the options here, let's go and log in first. The tools that you can access here on ElevenLabs are going to be pretty much the same thing if you're using the web version or the PC version. Let's go and click on sign in with Google here and just sign in into our account. Let's go and choose our Google account here. But once you're signed in or you are able to access your account, pretty much the tools that you could access are pretty much the same thing, whether you're using the PC version or the mobile version here. So in this case, just wait for this to fully load up here. But once you're signed in, you should be able to access the main menu here, which in this case, you're going to just use the instant speech tool, audiobook here, conversational, AI, podcast, sound effect, or Dove video. So as example, let's go and choose instant speech here. And from here, again, you have the same tools or same settings here that you can access. So let's go and get started. As you can see, you can add whatever text here. You can add speakers. You can go and get started with this one. So for example, I'm going to just type in here some random words. And basically, you could go and just press generate here to generate your speech. But once your speech is actually done here, you also have the option to download that speech. As you can see here now, it's going to download that file for us, and you can just use it on your mobile device or that specific audio directly into your mobile device. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.